Good morning, all of you. Let us continue our chapter longitude and latitude. Now we have to start the next topic, that is a calculation of time with the help of longitude. As I told you, the time difference between the longitude is 4 minutes. What does it mean? If you see in this diagram, the 0 degree having exact time of a 0 degree is 12. After that, when we move towards the east direction, if you see on 1 degree east, the time will be 12.4 minutes. 12 hours 4 minutes. It means the time difference between the one longitude is a 4 minute. As you go now, the next on the 2 degree east longitude, if you go, the time will be 12.8. Now when we move towards the western side, if you see when we are moving to the western side, the time will be 11.56 minutes. 2 degree west longitude, the time will be 11.52 minutes. Now, as I told you, the time difference between the two longitude is always a 4 minute. Now you also know when we move towards the eastern side, the time increases, and we move towards the western side, the time decreases, because you know the sun. If you see the sun, when the sun is in the eastern side, the rays falls dark first on the eastern side, and after when the earth rotates, then it moves towards the western side. So always the places which lies on the eastern side having the time ahead than the western side, because of the rotation of the earth. Our earth rotates, from west to east direction. So always the places which having the eastern side have a more time than the western side. So when we move towards the eastern side, the time difference between the longitude is a 4 minute, or we can say the time will be 4 minutes will be added in after crossing one longitude. But when we move towards the western side, this time decreases. And it is because of this only, when we having a daytime, the Britain and other European country, because it lies just opposite to our country, it having the night. So this is how we calculate a time difference. Now, as you know, on if the 0 degree, as I told you, having the 12, the 1 degree having a 12.4 minute. Now this difference, if we count the difference on 15-degree latitude, if it is 12 on 0 degree, on 15-degree latitude, the time will be 1 o'clock. And on the longitude of the 30-degree east, the time will be 2 o'clock. Similarly, when we move towards the western side, if 12 at 0 degree, on 15-degree west side, the time will be 11 o'clock. And similarly, the 30-degree longitude, the time will be 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock. So when we are moving towards the western side, the time is decreasing, and when we are moving towards the eastern side, the time always increase. The reference line, as I told you, we have taken the Greenwich time, the 0 degree longitude, which runs from the Greenwich, London. Internationally, it was accepted as a first meridian. So from there only the time is calculated. As you know, the time of the India is ahead 5.5 degree. It is because of this only. The longitude, that much of a longitude we have crossed. So our time is different from the GMT. IST, IST is 5 hours, 5.5 hours ahead, because India lies to eastern to Britain. So always the time is ahead of from the GMT. This is how the calculation of a time was given here. See that was the each degree, we are having a 24 hours, and in this 24 hours, what happened? The earth rotates on its axis once. So this 24 hours, and you also know the circle, the total angle of a circle is a 360. So how we get this 4 minute? You can see the sun move at the rate of 15 degree at 1 hour, because of 360 into 24 hours. 360-degree angles crosses into a 24 hours. So we get the 1 degree into 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes. This is how we calculate a time. Now one more concept was given here, the local time and the standard time. India, is a vast country, and several longitude passes through India. It is not only a one longitude which passes through India, several longitude passes through India. But we, 82.5 degree east longitude is taken. If you see, 82.5 degree east longitude was taken as the standard meridian, though the India having many longitudes. India is crossing many longitude. But 82.5 degree longitude, which is not exactly at the center, but this longitude is taken as a standard meridian, and the whole country was accepting this time. Because when we take, if we are not taking a single time of 82.5 degree, what will happen? This 4 minute time difference will be there, the 4 minute time difference will be there, and it will be very inconvenient for the timetable of a railway, for the timetable of a aviation. The timetable will be disturbed, because after crossing every longitude, what we have to do, we have to adjust our watch as a 4 minute. If we are moving towards the west, we have to adjust, we have to decrease this time 4 minute, and the east we have to add this 4 minute. So because of that, India is taken as a standard. So this is a local time. Of the all the longitude, the time of all the longitude is known as a local time. While the standard time is one time which is accepted by whole country, is known as a standard time. Like the India standard time is 82.5 degree. When the sun is overhead on the 82.5 degree east, it is assumed that it is a 12 o'clock on that longitude, and this is how the time is determined. So this is the difference between the local time and the standard time. Local time of each of a longitude is known as a local time, while the time which is accepted by the whole country is known as a standard time. Now, standard time and time zones. Our world is divided into several time zones. We cannot accept one time for the whole country, because if we are accepting a one time for whole country, what will happen? The east side the sun will rise and the west sun was setting. So those who are living in the eastern side, they learn that in the morning the sun rises, while in the west they learn the sun is setting in the morning. So this will be confusion. So the world is divided into many time zones. There are total 24 time zones for the convenience of all the country. For all the country, it was consider as just different countries accept their own time. Like the India is 5.5 degree ahead from the GMT, while Pakistan is only 5 hours to ahead, and Bangladesh is 1 hour ahead. So different countries having a different time zone. I hope you all have understood this concept. The time difference between longitude, you just keep remembering that one degree longitude, the time difference is 4 minutes. Now, international date line, this just above, just opposite to the 0 degree. If we make a line just opposite to the 0 degree, the line which is crossing is known as a 1 degree east. It was not visible here, but if you see just at the back of the 0 degree is 180-degree longitude. Now, because the earth was rotating continuously, we does not have any starting point or the ending point. So it is very difficult to assume where the sun is rising and where the sun is setting, or we can say where the days are finished and the next day starts. Because the continuous rotation of earth, we are not having any that type of a thing, like in which we can assume that where the sun is rising and sun is setting. So we have taken 180-degree longitude as an international date line. This 180-degree longitude means when we cross this 180-degree longitude, the day is changed. The place which lies on the eastern side will have the next day, and the lines which is on the west side, see, if it was 12 and 12, it will be 11. If you see international date line, if we are having eastern side, the time is ahead, time is 12. See, the date was 12, but when we are moving towards the west, the date is 11. So what does it means? When we cross this international date line, the day and also the date changes. In the eastern side it is 212, the date is 12, and in the western side the date is 11. So what does it means when we change, when we cross the international date line, day and date both the things are changed. This is international, so this 180-degree longitude is known as an international date line. But one more thing you should understood here, it does not crosses any country. See in this picture, the Kamchatka Peninsula of the Russia. In the upper side, see the Kamchatka Peninsula of the Russia. Here, the international date line was not in the straight line. It was slightly zigzag in the nature. Similarly, in the Fiji island also the international date line is not exactly at the straight line. It was not crossing the country. It is because the international date line does not crosses any country. The crossing of any country means the country having a two date on the single day, so making the office file and all that things, it will be very inconvenient. So we are not accepting as it was crossing any country. It does not passes through any country. Similarly, wherever the country lies in the between two places, the Fiji Islands and the Kamchatka Peninsula, we assume that it was in the zigzag in the nature. So this is about your international date line. Very easily you could understand this date line. Now the last topic of this chapter, if you know, it was a world time zone. World time zone means several time zones are there. There are the 24 time zones in the world. We cannot accept a single time for the whole world. The different countries accept their own time. Because of that only, if you see on the every airport, the time was mentioned. The clock was there which mentions the time of that place, not of your own place. It is because the different countries accepted their different time zones, and all the country having a different time does not have the same time for the whole world. The reference is GMT, but the other countries having their own time zones. So I hope you have understood this chapter. Now the question answer, see, we having almost 30 plus 40, 50 questions are there. 50 questions are there. It is not possible to do all the questions. So what we do, we take a broadly some of the questions, and also you know the final paper is from the board, does not from your book. So I will not ask you to do any question answer from the back only, but each and every line of your chapter is important. You know the first part of the paper will be objective, and when this is objective, it comes from the between. It does not always from the back only, it is from the between also. The last year paper is also, if I have seen, it is a very difficult, the question very hardly I get any question from the back. It is from the between of the chapter. So don't rely only, don't only depend upon the question which is given at the back. You have to learn each and every line of the book, because your paper is mostly, the paper is of objective. The 60% marks question is of objective, mainly the 40 marks is only descriptive. So line by line you have to study. Though this question answer we will not do, but the sum of the things you have to do in your copy. Like as I told, I am giving you the characteristic of latitude and the characteristic of the longitude. The characteristic of a longitude was given, it was given importance of latitude on page number 21. It was given the importance of latitude you have to do, and after that you have to do the 5 main parallels latitude. It is also given on the page number 21. These are the some of the important things which comes frequently. I am giving you that the 5 main parallels, the importance of a latitude, the climate zone, you have studied this also. Similarly, the longitude is given on page number 24. Importance of longitude, that you have to do in your copy. And after that, the calculation of a time, with the help of longitude, that also you have to calculate and you have to do in your copy. International dateline, also you have to remember the international dateline. And before you do anything in the copy, this content and analysis in the brief. This you should, it was a summary of your chapter. See, it was a summary in your chapter. It was given on page number 29 that you have to do in your copy. It covers almost all the thing, all the topic of your book. This is what you have to do: the importance of latitude, importance of longitude, definition of international dateline, GMT, IST, the time zones, and the time zones you have to do in your copy. Thank you.